Prophet's childhood. Halima, the Holy Prophet's nurse, says, when Muhammad reached the age of 3, he told me one day, "Mother, where do my brothers go every day?" And I answered, "Your brothers take the sheep to the desert for grazing during the day." "So why don't they take me with them?" asked Muhammad. "Do you want to go with them?" "Yes, I'm very eager." The next day I gave the Prophet a bath and applied collyrium to his eyes and put the Yemeni bead through which ran a string around his neck for his protection. Suddenly the Prophet tore it off his neck, discarded it and said, "Mother, feel relaxed. God, who is always with me, shall protect me."